Okay, so I got one of these put together from before, and I've got to put 4 more of these up, and I'm not going to put up the last one. You know, this has threads. Oh, that's right. I can't. I got to put the light bulbs on first, huh? But I can put this end piece on. I have a slit right there, which is kind of slick. To twist that on. And they're not all created equal. This one has plastic on the end. Some of them are metal stakes I've seen. But I'm just tightening that and redoing the wire just so it's flat. Okay, that's the part that goes in. This is the extra, and I have to put the bulb. I have to put the bulb in, right? So I'll have to get the bulbs out and get ready to do that. But I got to put 5 of these together. And remember the one I had done. I had this one done before, and if you saw that, as I was trying to test this before I even realized this needed bulbs. Like I said, I thought the LED was that small little thing in there, because on light fixtures, believe it or not, oh, look at that. That can loosen up too. I got to make sure that's tight. On LED light bulbs or light fixtures, sometimes the LEDs are really super small, and that's why I thought that was it. So make sure that's tight. Okay. So I got to get the little bulbs on and get ready to do that.